So you guys, this is the same day, November 27, 2019. So I'm in my garage working on my car, prepping to paint my calipers. I've decided myself personally, I'm gonna wait until my dad get home tomorrow and me and him gonna do it. So I'm gonna still have that video for you guys coming, but now I'm finna install my wheel studs. I've been waiting for this, trying to change the look of my car, make it look more sporty, more rally car, stuff like that. I got some 90 mil wheel studs from Turner Motorsports. I wanted them to partner with me and do the wheel studs and spacers, but me and the guy from Turner Motorsports never really had the chance to connect and really communicate with each other back and forth. I called him a couple times. He didn't really get back to me. So you guys, it didn't stop me from working with them and ordering their product and seeing how it fits on my car. So now I'm about to do that and then look forward to a lot of new videos. I ordered some new coil packs. So I'm gonna put those coil packs on, get some new spark plugs. I have a new PV valve that I'm gonna install for you guys. I have a lot of stuff coming in a short notice, so I'm gonna be pushing out a lot of videos, hopefully some good content that you guys like. So let's get right into this wheel stud conversion. It's your boy Leon recommended. Let's get right into it.
Something you go with, you're gonna need thread locker. You're gonna need some lubricants, and these are my 90 mils. So
let's do the front first. I did these myself too, so sanded these down. They're preps to paint, but let's go ahead and install these studs. So after you've cleaned it, you take some of this. Y'all might be wondering why I went with 90 mil. Basically, I went with 90 mil. It'll fit any wheel size I want to go to. If I want to do 19 or whatever size spacers I want to run. If I want to do 25 on the back, 15 on the front. If I want to do 10 or 5 on the front, 15 on the back. I haven't decided what I want to do yet. Maybe y'all can help me decide, but right now I like it. And I'm gonna slap the wheels back on and do the other two sides and show you guys what it look like before it gets dark.